In this video, I'll show you how to download your chat history in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, look for the Chats option and tap on it. On the Chats screen, you'll see an option called Export Chat. Go ahead and tap on that. WhatsApp will now display a list of all the chats you've had with your contacts. From this list, select the chat whose history you would like to download. After selecting the chat, you'll see a few export options appear on the screen. You can choose to export the chat along with all media files, such as photos and videos. Or if you prefer, you can select only specific media files to include. You also have the option to export the chat without any media. This will include only the text messages. Choose the option that works best for you. Once selected, WhatsApp will begin preparing and compiling the chat history. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the chat and the number of media files included. When the process is complete, you'll see several sharing and saving options. Choose the option you prefer and you can save, download, or share the exported chat history from WhatsApp. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful.